Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this Sunday. It was a virtually cloud-free day across almost all of South Africa, and for this reason there really isn't too much to speak about in our satellite loop, except that conditions were almost perfect on the Highveld as temperatures rose into the upper 20s. There were light winds and lots of sunshine. There was some fog along the west coast which extended down from Namibia and was just confined to the coastline of the Northern Cape. Now over that area we are still expecting that fog to persist overnight. Otherwise it's going to be a fairly dry and clear night for most of the country, while a weak cold front will brush just along the southern coastline. That will push in some cloud across that area, and we may even have a few drops of light rain in places. Clear skies continue for Gauteng, the northwest, as well as the Free State for tonight. Into tomorrow, and the cold front makes its way out quite quickly to the east of the country. Behind it, a high pressure system ridges in, and along with that, an onshore flow develops. That's going to allow for a bit of light morning rain along the south coast, and later on in the day, that rain will gradually spread up the eastern coastline, reaching KwaZulu-Natal during the course of Monday evening. Now let's take a look at tonight's rainfall probabilities, and just that very slight chance for rain extending from around Hermanus all the way through to about the Plettenberg Bay area. Mainly light rain or drizzle, especially near the mountainous areas. Otherwise, dry weather continues overnight and into tomorrow. Now, Cape Town tonight will be cool once again with a minimum temperature of 11 degrees as we head into the early hours of Monday morning. Light southerly to southeasterly winds, and tomorrow will be partly cloudy and dry, 20 degrees as a maximum, but it's going to become quite windy in the afternoon as those winds pick up to about 35 kilometers per hour. Now let's take a look at the wind stream animation, and here we see that light wind conditions continue for most parts of South Africa. Here we can see that cold front making its way out to the east of the country, and behind it that onshore flow developing during the course of Monday, and that's going to be pushing in the rain across those areas. Here we can also see those winds picking up near the west coast, those southeasterlies becoming fresh during the course of Monday afternoon and early evening. Now with the clear and dry air in circulation, this is going to allow for temperatures to dip down quite low overnight once again, especially for the central and southern high ground, Sutherland dropping below freezing. 10 degrees as a minimum temperature for Johannesburg and Mahikeng, and we're expecting temperatures once again to be in the mid-teens along the east coast as well as into many parts of the Lowveld, especially in the Kruger Park. Now tomorrow afternoon is going to be hot over the northern parts of South Africa. Pretoria reaching 30 degrees for the first time this spring, 34 degrees as a maximum for Uppington. Cooler over the Eastern Cape due to the cloud cover in that area, 19 for both Port Elizabeth as well as Bishu. Now on Tuesday we're expecting it to be mainly dry across South Africa once again, except for a chance of evening rainfall in George, which will reach a maximum of 21 degrees in the afternoon. And on Wednesday we're expecting rain to once again spread up the eastern coastline, reaching Durban in the evening, while Gauteng will remain sunny and warm once again.